Hey, so I got the car without any type of music player or anything, so pretty much should look like this. This originally came on my very first 240, and I've just kind of been transferring this from car to car. So I'm gonna take the opportunity to go ahead and install it in my 180. Already pulled off, or took off the shift knob, so this can come up. Gotta unplug this. So I'm gonna unscrew the brackets, mount up this. Actually, they're loose already. Oh, I gotta find screws for those. So there's only four bolts that hold it in. 2 down here, 2 up there. So I'm gonna take these out, and then I'm gonna find some bolts to be able to put the brackets on the head unit. Alright, so I forgot to record the process, but I mean, generally everything was pretty much wired up on this head unit. All the connectors were pre-wired. Trying to see, you can see where I had pre-wired it up there. So all the connectors were pretty much the same. There's only 2 connectors that you use, this one and this one. I didn't need to use this one. I grounded the the ground wire to the the dash frame, dash I can't call it. Well, there's a can't see the sun, but I grounded the black wire, so everything is complete. Plugged in the antenna cable, so for me this was pretty straightforward. I couldn't find bolts, so I just used the one that came off of here, so that's why I still have an empty slot. And as you can kind of see, everything works. Yep, pretty straightforward. I figured I'd probably just take this opportunity to go ahead and swap out my coolant reservoir. Of course, that's pretty common damage on these because of the sun. It kind of just destroys this from the UV rays and stuff like that. So I've always had the Circuit Sport one. This is all metal. So I'm just gonna swap it. Took out the bolt here and the one there, and that's really the only 2 things that's holding it. On this one, it uses that same, but in the back it's gonna use this ground, this bolt where this ground is. But other than that, that's just about it. So I'm gonna go and change that over, and that looks so much better. So I wasn't able to get that side bolted in, so it's only currently held by 1 bolt, but it's fairly secured. It's sitting on, I guess there's a bracket on the bottom that it's sitting on right now, so kind of happy how it is. You can see the coolant level there. Probably add some in a little bit, but happy I got these 2 things done. Definitely need to do a few more things. Got the cookie tail lights in the back, so I'll change those out. That'll be the next thing. Probably gonna put my Trust DD exhaust. So I'll swap this one out. What else? My brother helped me do the removable steering wheel. Got the downpipe. I think that's about it. So slowly but surely, I of course need to get back to this. I mean, everything is put together, so I just gotta make sure I find all the bolts to put it in. So maybe this weekend, maybe, we'll see. All right, thanks.